Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to open secret service menu of Vizio TV by using secret codes. These codes work on most Vizio D series and P series models. If you know any other code, please let us know and share it in the comment section. We are also sharing some useful videos relating to Vizio TV troubleshooting that might be very helpful. Link is given in this video description. Do subscribe our channel for latest updates. Now the first code is press menu, then 1, then 999, then back from the remote without any pass. You have to press the menu, then 1, then 9, then again 9, and again 9, and then back button. This will open service menu on the screen and you can perform many settings like factory settings and other which are not available in normal menu. To exit from factory menu, press exit button from the remote. If previous method doesn't work for some reason, then try this code. Press menu 4210 from the remote without any pause. Press menu 4 2 1 and 0. This will open the service menu and here you can do many settings. To exit from factory menu, press exit button. So if you have any query, ask in comment section. I will reply them. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.